What's up, guys? So today I will be using the Collab app, the Collab website, which is an AI tool that allows you to do virtual staging and does it in a lot of different various ways. So I created a video that I did like a week or so ago, but I'm finally able to share it and I want to share it with you here. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Jason Miller and I am the creator and founder of Rova AI, which is just a AI realty group and realty teaching community that helps realtors like myself and you use AI to help automate your business and just make things easier for you. So with all of that said, if you're not already in my private community of Rova AI or not using some of my AI automation services, please tap in, tune in with me and join my community. Facebook, and we also have a WAP school community that we teach how to do stuff like this every day. So with that said, let's dive right in and I'm going to show you how to use the Collab app. And stay to the end because I will be sharing a special promotion link that gets you a discount for joining and using Collab using my special affiliate link, which also helps both of us in this case where you get to join and I get to share wealth and knowledge with you. So with that said, let's tap in. What's up, y'all? Today I wanted to go over this AI called Collov AI. This is a virtual staging app that I like to use. It helps me with a lot of my listings, especially the ones that have those empty rooms that we want to fill and give buyers that feeling that they're seeing the bigger picture. I know now a lot of agents understand that real estate is very visual and a lot of buyers don't see the bigger picture in an empty room. So having that virtual staging really adds that touch to bring buyers to your listing. So with that said, let's go ahead and use it. Before I get too deep, I did pay for the upgraded version. This is the basic version, not the advanced version. They have multiple plans and tiers, but I did use the discount code and things like that. So I got a pretty good discount on the annual plan. So that was a perk. Haven't upgraded. I just don't think I'm going to do that many AI automations in 1 month. So I think this is fine, especially with some staging and things like that already there. But if I do get a listing where I need to do some more stuff, I may look at upgrading. So with that said, let's get right into it. Let's get started. So I want to update the bedroom in the basement. It doesn't have anything in there. I already did one of the offices. I'm going to do the same with this bedroom and I wanted to share with you. So first we need to go ahead and pick what style room it is. So first we need to upload the photo, right? Then we want to put it as a bedroom. I don't want to remove existing furniture. You see these little highlights and stuff like that. It's going to remove that. If so, I don't want it to remove it. I wish the photographer would close the door, but we could talk about if we could update that. But let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. So we got modern. We're going to do with just a modern style, something regular, and see what happens. And let's see what it generates. While this is uploading, I have found a bunch of other resources in the AI space to help my real estate business. And that's what a lot of my videos are catered towards, really just helping agents find ways to work smarter, not harder. So this is just one way. So I like this. This turned out pretty good. This is really nice, actually. Good space, kind of balance of what could be in there. You got a big enough bed. This is one. Not a bad option. I like this too. This is good. And this is really good. I like all of these. Out of all of these, I like this one the best. It doesn't look that cluttered. And I like the first one that it made. I really do the bed made like this. I think I'm going to go with this one just because it really does look good. So the issue with this is when I flip this around the other way, I got to see if it's going to be able to give me the same thing. So I'm going to go to save this one and download this one and keep this one. I do want to put a disclaimer on there that it is virtual AI staging, just so anybody, can't say it's false advertising or anything like that. So I went with modern. Let's go ahead and upload the other way. This is a different angle. This is a different angle. So let's try this angle here. I did do modern last time. Oh, this is a different bedroom. I'm sorry. Let me not do this one yet. I'm going to go back. I want to get this one, which is the different angle. All right, so this is a different angle here. So let's Set this to bedroom. We still on modern. Let's see if we can get it. I should have did easy erase. I want to go back. I think I want to go back and easy erase some of these because I could have took this door out. I could have took that door out. Let's see if we can do that. That might be actually pretty cool. So I'm gonna let this load and I'm gonna go back and take this out because having that door there does throw things off. And again, I wish they would have closed these doors. Come on, photographer. Okay, this completely flipped the room around. Not in a bad way, but not how we wanted it to look. So we got to get this fixed up. I think the doors is confusing the AI, which is understandable. So I need to go ahead and get this situated, even though this is still pretty outside of that part, right? That does throw it off though. So I want to go ahead and get that fixed. So let's go back and start over. I'm going to upload this one again. Upload it again. Easy erase. I want to erase this. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I want to erase this. Bring this down. I wish I could zoom in, but we're going to try to see what we can do. Let's get rid of this door. Hopefully it gets rid of all of it. Yeah, I can't really see how close I am. Let's see how good of a job I actually can do. That's good. And let's get rid of this door here. Because that's throwing everything off. The fact that he didn't close that door is, come on, bro. Let's close this up and see if we can keep this down. I think that's everything. Let's see. All right. Now let's try it again. Bedroom. Hopefully it still has the marks up on it. I can't even see. All right. Let's see what happens. I really do hope this works out. I hit back, so I messed it up. I don't know if it worked or not, but let's see. If not, I'll do it again and we'll see what happens. That didn't work out at all. I gotta get this door. Like, it is killing me. Okay, let's go back and try this again because this door is killing me. What is this? Oh, I'll have to upgrade if I wanted to use that other one. So let's try it again. Man, the photographer, man. It's a tough one. I wish she really would have just closed the door. It's not that hard, but he would have closed the door. We'd have had a different outcome. So let's see if I can manually erase this again. Damn. Well, goes to show. Sometimes you got to give directions to the photographers to close all doors and little things like that because that goes a long way. But clearly, let's erase this. See how good I can get it. All right. Now let's see. Hopefully it erased it. Really hoping this works this time because if not, I don't know what to do with this one. I might not use this angle at all. I might just use the other angle and call it that. Man, it's not working. Well, this is the best we're going to get with this one. The AI is doing the job. It's getting it in there, but it's tough that it created it this way, man. I'm upset about that because it's just so simple. If you would have just closed the doors, man, it's not that hard. So I've used a good amount of my credits for this. I don't want to keep adding to it. So I'll just start over and I will upload the other photo from a different room and see what we can get with this. I do want to check my Dropbox though. Check my Dropbox. See if I have another angle. Yes. All right. So instead of this one, I'm going to use a different angle because I don't want to have any doors and stuff in there that's throwing everything off. So let's see what we did this one. Let's do something different. Let's try Scandinavian and see what happens. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see. That's doable. I think this way is actually more realistic for this room anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one here and run with it. Actually, I don't want Scandinavian. So let's go back and regenerate. Let's change out of Scandinavian. I want to go back to modern and see what happens. Okay. Not bad. I think I like this one the best out of so far. Let's see what else I came up with. Yeah, I think this one I like the best. This ain't bad. It looks like the hotel room. This is pretty good. So I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna call it that. And we're gonna upload that and call it a day. Hey, that's all I have. Until next time, man. So this is the Cup AI app that you can use and do some of your virtual staging with, man. So until next time, take care, like, follow, subscribe, and all the other good things for another good video next time.